Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna introduce how to make an origami bird. As always, I use this book. It says Cute Origami Works in Japanese. So let's begin. Today I use a pen and the scissors and also a purple origami. First, fold up the bottom half of the paper to meet the other side of the paper. And open the paper and rotate 90 degrees. Again, fold up the bottom edge to meet the upper edge. Then, open the paper again, and now you can see cross-shaped lines. So take 4 corners and fold to the center part of the paper, like this. And you will get this shape, so you take 2 corners on the left side of the paper and fold them to the center. Then you will get this shape. After that, take the upper edge and fold down to meet the bottom edge. And next, we fold this part. At this point, I'm gonna tell you a special fold, which is called nakawari ori in Japanese, or inside reverse fold in English. And you will fold this part using inside reverse fold. As you can see, you fold the paper to get the top part inside out, and this part becomes a beak. So let's do that again. Take the tip of the paper, push it down like this, and press it from the both sides. Again, you've got the beak. And next, take the right bottom and draw a triangle to create wings and a tail. So let's draw the triangle using pen. And take out the triangle part. And after you took out the triangle, you can see the tail and wings. So the final step of folding part is spreading wings. So take one wing and fold up. When you fold up the other side of the wing, it doesn't have to fold up with the same angle. So you can fold like this. You can shift or change the angle a little bit. Or you can fold up with the same angle like this. But this time, I changed the angle a little bit. So it seems like the bird is spreading out the wings. For me. Finally, draw an eye with the pen. And we finished. How was it? Was it easy for you? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.